Oh, why hello everyone! Thank you so much for watching another video by me, Hennessy Williams, where I'll be showing you all how to make this amazing drink that I've thrown a twist on, which is the Hennessy Blood Orange drink. So what you're going to need to make this drink is just a few things. You're of course going to need Hennessy VSOP vodka, or Hennessy VSOP cognac, or if you're really fancy, Hennessy XO, either one can work. You're going to want to have a little cocktail shaker, but you can also do it in just a mixing glass if you want. You're going to need the Angursta aromatic bitters, just a splash of this. Like its name says, you're going to need just a blood orange that you're going to use the peel of. You're going to need some agave nectar, some lemon juice, don't forget the ice, and of course the other star of the show is going to be a vodka blood orange. Now when I did this drink with Lucille Liqueur, she had this really amazing Bianca Del Rio vodka blood orange vodka from the UK, but this is what I bought myself. This is just the Sky Infusion blood orange. I think I got this at Safeway, really accessible, but really any blood orange can work. So let's go ahead and get mixing this delectable drink. So we're going to take our cocktail shaker first of all, and you're going to want to have this. It's called a jigger, and it's basically to measure a drink. You will do this over in parts, and so the first thing you're going to want is you're going to want basically 2 parts of Hennessy. And so I'm going to go ahead and I'm actually going to take my Hennessy XO because I'm feeling a little bit fancy. I just have a little bit left, but you of course can use VSOP. So we're going to do 2 parts Hennessy over here. 1, 2. Oh, that's it. I guess I pretty much ran out of Hennessy, which is a bummer, but what a lovely glass. I think I'll keep this as a treat. Let me just go ahead and top off with the rest of my Hennessy here. And now you're going to want to grab your blood vodka, and then you're going to want another 2 of this as well. That smells good. So that's your blood orange vodka. You're also going to want 1 part agave nectar. Any agave nectar will do. Usually these recipes call for simple syrup, so I thought it was really interesting that they used agave nectar of all things, but I guess it's more natural, just like blood orange. And that will do. You also want to make sure to have fresh lemon juice, so I have some fresh lemons here, and I actually have, this is a lime squeezer. A lemon squeezer would work probably just as well, if not better. Oh yeah, these are really big. But I'm just gonna use these to squeeze my lemons over here. So you'll need probably only 1 to 2 lemons, and basically 1.5 parts of lemon juice. So you just want to squeeze this and squeeze this. I feel like I'm working at that like hot dog mall stand where they make lemonade, and the lemonade always smells so good. I think it's called hot dog on a stick. And I think that's going to be about 1.5 parts. So I'm just going to go ahead and measure this over here. Careful. Oop, I got the rind there. Okay. Just a little bit messy. And yeah, that's about 1.5 right over there. One of the last things you're going to need after that is just going to be a little bit of Angostura aromatic bitters. So just a swig of that will do. And then this is optional, but of course, like, what is a drink without some ice? So crack open some ice over here. I'm just gonna put in a little bit. And then you're gonna shake it all together. And then, of course, strain it into your cup of choice. And you can use a highball, or you can use, I like to use like a little cocktail whiskey glass myself. Okay, well, it doesn't look like that's good. I just got this a while ago and I haven't used it since. And that is now nice and frosty. We're going to open this up right here. Look at that delicious drink, you all. Perfect. And it suits the glass perfectly. And the last thing you need, you're probably wondering what we're going to do with that blood orange. Here's just a slice of peel of it. Right over here, a twist. Look at how juicy that is. Woo! Yeah, it is like spinning all over the place. This one is a little bit skinny. I wish I had a better peeler, but I think this is fine. This is our little twist right over here. You can also light it on fire if you want. I'm just gonna put her right over here. And there we go, everyone. This is going to be our Hennessy blood orange drink. That is absolutely delicious. Wow. So I love this drink. You should make it for your friends. This recipe is absolutely adaptable. Just if you're making 3 servings, just times everything by 3 by parts. And absolutely amazing for, you know, like a summer picnic or a delicious winter drink while you're watching movies. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you all. I really love this drink. I hope you enjoy. And of course, check out my website, Drag Queen Cooking, and my monthly baking show that I have called Hennessy's Great Baking Show, where I'll be showing you all how to make more drinks like this. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!